control. Low battery. Please return home immediately. Low battery. Please return home immediately. Low battery. Please return home immediately. Low battery. Low battery. Please return home immediately. Hey YouTubers, it's Hawaii Girl of Hawaii Girl Adventures. I just purchased the HoverAir X1 PROMAX drone, and in this video, I'm test flying it out at Red Rock Canyon National Conservation Area here in Nevada. I purchased the controller bundle, which also includes the charging hub, 2 extra batteries, a power adapter, magnetic clip-in adapter, and a combo case. This bundle also includes the beacon and joystick, which I'll be using in this video. I also purchased the ND filters and the bike handlebar for the beacon. No, I don't mountain bike just yet, and that's for another video. The settings I used are posted down below in the description. Enjoy my video, and please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Aloha!